Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a little village nestled between rolling green hills and a shimmering river. The village was called Sunflower because every spring, the sunflowers would bloom, spreading their golden petals as far as the eye could see. In this village lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was a curious and adventurous girl who loved to explore the world around her. One day, while wandering in the hills, she stumbled upon a hidden cave. Curiosity getting the better of her, she entered the cave, and to her amazement, she found a magical door. The door was old and rusty, but it had an enchanting aura about it. Lily reached out and touched the door, and to her surprise, it creaked open. As she stepped through the door, she found herself in a wondrous forest, unlike any she had ever seen before. The forest was alive with bright colors and twinkling lights, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. As she walked through the forest, she heard a faint humming sound. She followed the sound until she reached a clearing where she saw a group of tiny fairies. The fairies were dancing and singing, and their laughter filled the air. Lily watched in amazement as they fluttered around her, beckoning her to join in their fun. She timidly approached them, and one of the fairies flew up to her and said, "Welcome, Lily. We have been waiting for you. You are the only one who can help us." Lily was astonished. "Me?" she asked. "Yes, you," replied the fairy. "You have a pure heart, and that is what we need. The flowers in our forest are dying, and we need someone to save them. Will you help us?" Lily nodded her head, and the fairies led her to a field of flowers. The flowers were drooping, their petals wilting, and their colors fading. The fairies explained that a wicked witch had cast a spell on the flowers, and only someone with a pure heart could break it. Lily knew what she had to do. She closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and reached into her heart. She found a tiny spark of pure love, and she gently blew it into the flowers. As she did so, the flowers began to stir. Their petals lifted, and their colors brightened, and soon they were blooming once again. The fairies cheered, and Lily felt a warmth in her heart that she had never felt before. She had saved the flowers, and in doing so, she had discovered the power of love. As she left the forest and returned home, Lily knew that she would never forget the magical world she had visited, and she promised to keep the spark of pure love in her heart forever. And every spring, when the sunflowers bloomed, she remembered the fairies and the magical door, and she smiled, knowing that love had led her there.